Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Oluwatunseyi. I make videos on healthy meals, kitchen tips, kitchen hacks, and easy to make recipes you can try at home. If that looks like what you're interested in, consider subscribing. In today's video, we're going to make Moi Moi, that's beans pudding, in an air fryer. Come along with me. Since I'll be using beans flour, I would like to do the mixing with hot water. So this is me trying to heat up the water. Okay, it is slightly hot. Let's keep it aside and let's see the ingredients. We've got a lot of ingredients here, but let's start with the beans flour. We are going to do all the mixing in this pot. You can use a mixing bowl. Pour the beans flour 1 cup into a mixing bowl. I'll just take a spatula to do the mixing while the hot water is being poured. I'm going to use all the water, that's 2 cups. That means for 1 cup of beans flour, you will use 2 cups of water. So the ratio of beans flour to water is 1 to 2. Try to break all the lumps as you stir. I will allow this to sit for 5 to 10 minutes. To save time, you can do this soaking in water first before prepping the other ingredients. Now let's put the remaining ingredients. Any order can be followed. Put a 1/4 cup of cooking oil. I'll be using an extra light olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Two tablespoons of fish powder, crayfish, turmeric, 1/8 of a teaspoon, ginger, 1/2 teaspoon, salt, ground chili pepper, 1/2 teaspoon. For some color and nice taste, you can add tomato powder. Do you remember this? I made this in a previous video. You can check it out to see how to make tomato powder. Tomato powder, 1 tablespoon. I also put the link in the description. You can add more if you want. Stir properly. You may decide to dissolve in water first so as to loosen any form of lump. Yes, we are done mixing the dry ingredients. We will set this aside. These are the other ingredients that we are going to use as toppings. Here are some ramekins. There are 6 of them. They are clean and ready to use. Spray some oil on the ramekins. If you don't have the oil spray, you can use the brush to wipe the cup we used in measuring the oil. Rub or grease the inside this way. Get a ladle to dispense neatly into the ramekins. Here we have our plantain, 1 medium size. I've sliced it into 6 so that 1 slice goes into each of the ramekins. We have our fish here. This is mackerel, the one we call Titus fish. You can decide to boil or grill it slightly before adding it. We have our eggs. I will have the eggs, so we'll have 6 to go round into the ramekins. These are chopped Irish potatoes. They are not cooked. Drop as much as it can contain. I advise you use bigger ramekins so that you can put as many nice things as you desire without it spilling or messing up your work area or the air fryer. If it were to be in steam, it will spill. But I advise you make use of bigger sizes. You can as well make use of bigger ramekins with lids if you don't want the top to dry out. Get the air fryer and simply arrange them in the air fryer basket. Then if you don't like the eggs this way, you can skip it at the initial stage and simply add the sliced boiled egg after everything is all done and cooked. Okay, the ramekins have been neatly and carefully placed in the air fryer. I'll use the bake function, which is 175 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. So let's wait for it as we count down to 0. Yes, it is off. Here is a toothpick. I will dip it in to ascertain or to check if it's properly cooked. If it comes out clean, then it is well cooked. Here it is. This is it right here. It's not completely clean, so I will keep it back into the air fryer for another 15 minutes. So this is after 15 minutes. Like I said earlier, you can use ramekins or baking bowls with lids if you don't appreciate the dryness on top. You can also decide to decorate or dress the ramekins with toppings that are not cooked at all or that are already half cooked, so that they will receive the direct heat from the air fryer and shield the main mixture. This is what I mean. The plantain, the potatoes, just like I demonstrated, will be lined on top raw. Note that they were not cooked before adding them. But you may boil the fish so that when everything is all cooked together, the fish will appear grilled by the air fryer. For me, this is nice and it tastes like Akara. When you eat it, you will be confused as to if this is Moi Moi or Akara. Yes. So I ask you, please comment below, what would you rather call this recipe? Moi Moi or Akara? Or baked Moi Moi? Please let's have your comments below. Thanks so much for watching to this point. If you're new here, you're welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Kindly click the subscribe button and then the notification bell so that when I post a video, you will be notified. And so you can keep getting contents like this. For my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and share to friends and family. Till I see you in the next video, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.